In this video, I am going to show you how to use encryption to password protect a folder or a file on Windows. Navigate to the folder or file you want to encrypt. Right-click the item, then click Properties and Advanced. Click Encrypt Contents to secure data, click OK, then Apply. Windows then asks if you want to encrypt only the file or its parent folder and all the files within that as well. Opt to full folder encryption to be safe. A pop-up window will offer you the option to back up the encryption key to ensure you never lose access to the file. If you don't wish to back up, click Never Backup to complete the process. Otherwise, click Backup Now and follow the remaining steps. If the prompt does not appear, hit Windows +R on your keyboard, type certmgr.msc and hit Enter. Click Personal and double-click Certificates. Find your Windows username. To the right under Intended Purposes, it should say Encrypting File System. Right-click, hover over to All Tasks and click Export. This was in case you didn't find the encryption option on the file. Check the box next to password and enter the password you want to use to protect this encryption. Then click Next. Set the location of the backup and click Save. Then click Next to see an overview of the export and finish to complete the export. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.